And drill these holes for the wire. Getting there. Oh, that stinks. I don't think 2 hands for this. So I got that hole cut finally. I had to move it back some. I had to use my guy's hole saw. Kind of keeping it quiet doing these videos, but this is the old furnace wire that is no longer needed, I do believe. Yep. So that's going bye-bye, but I punched out 2 knockouts for my wire going to these 2 square D breakers. 50 for the unit, 60 for the heat strips. And right now we're in the process of doing the return, and then I have to go under this house again for the 3rd time and pull this very large Romex. It's not fun under this house. Anyways, I guess I can show you all the return. Alright, real quick, before my guy gets back, this is where the return box is going, so we're going to cut all this out. Here comes my guy now. There's where the return's going. Mess. Come back here. I see a hole in the wall. I see a bunch of holes in the wall. And it's like I could just punch through it, but I'm not. A little spy hole. HVAC guys taking a break right now. There's the hole for the return. I kind of spooked him when I was taking a video earlier when he walked up behind me, but I'm not going to let that ruin my fun. Next is to peel that back and go through the floor. Fun, fun, fun. Alright, so this is the update. Here's the 100-foot of 8.2 and 6.2 that's going under the house all the freaking way in that back corner. And the noise you hear is my HVAC guy who I'm working alongside. He's cutting the hole in the floor for the return. And he's camera shy, in other words, so I'm not taking pictures around him. But there's the wide that's going to branch off. There's one of the 14 to 12 reducers for the crossovers. And that is a start collar for the supply, I do believe. Or that might be a reducer, I'm not too sure. I'm not under here right now. But where I'm standing is where the unit's going to be next week. That's probably when this video will go out. But no, this video is going to go out before then. I'm going to make it go out before then. But here's the 2 18-inch. We're doing 18 on the supply and return. That's 25 foot of it. And we're doing 12s for the crossover, which is more than enough. I could have done 10s if I wanted to, but the original plan was 18 on the return and 16 on the supply, but I said, why don't we just do 18 altogether? And he agreed that it'd be a lot better than 16 and 18. But this is what it takes to put in a package unit on a house that never had one. I mean, that wire goes way the heck over there. I'm still dressed in my under the house clothes, and it's 70-something degrees out here and I'm sweating. But we might see him poke through the floor because he's right over in that area somewhere. I know my phone's going in and out of focus. But some people are camera shy. I can't help them. And my plumber's over there. You can see his leg sticking out. All right, I'm on back in to see if he needs me for anything, and I'll get some pictures when he goes out to take a break or get some more supplies. I'll see what I can do. But anyways, it was just a little update. And over there's the sheet metal. I don't want to show his car or nothing, but there's the sheet metal we've been hacking out of. Anyways, see y'all in a second.